Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make ekado, which is the fried wonton with quail egg. So for ingredients, let's check down below. For the wrapping, I'm using bean curd. For the filling, I have 500 grams of chicken, 250 grams of shrimp, quail egg, chive, garlic, and egg. Seasoning: soy sauce, tapioca starch, sesame oil, oyster, sugar, chicken powder. For this recipe, you guys need food processor. So just put the chicken, shrimp, 4 tablespoons tapioca starch, 4 tablespoons chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 eggs. Four teaspoons sugar, 'If you see, I only put half of the ingredients because I have a small chopper, so I divide it in two. Now we can blend them. When everything is done, it's gonna look like this. And now you just transfer it to a bowl. At this point on, you just add chive, mix them. To prep, so you have your bean curd sheet, just put a little bit, not too much. Put your quail egg, and then a little bit more on top of the quail egg. When the quail egg is covered, just pick it up and just make a little bowl, just like that. And then with your hand, try to turn it not too hard so it doesn't break. And when everything is done, use string and you can just tie everything down. Okay, to make it more beautiful, you can cut the excess. So this is what it looks like. So when everything is ready, now you have two options to cook this. You can do traditional way, which is deep frying, or which is the one that I prefer, it's using the air fryer. So now I'm gonna use the air fryer. Just put in your air fryer, give a little spray of oil. So when you cook this, you need 370 Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. Before you actually put it in, make sure you preheat your air fryer for about 400 for about 1 or 2 minutes. So now let's cook it. This is the final result. Give it a try. So that's it for our today's video. So if you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.